Okay, good morning to all. Assalamu alaikum. So, in this session, we are going to learn about while loop and functions. Okay, yeah. So, last class we already discussed about for loop. So, I just recall what we discussed. So, last class by using for loop, and this is the code, we draw the circle. And once we draw the circle, 100 circle we draw. Once we change the once you draw the circle and we are changing the angle, so it will randomly it will generating so like this. So by using for loop we have draw this much circle. Okay, so now what we are going to do today, so there is a one more loop. There are two type of loop. What is loop? Loop is a sequence of instructions that is repeated until certain conditions is reached. Okay, so there are two type here, for and while. What is for loop? It is a count controlled. Okay, we are, if you look here, it is a count. How many circle we draw? Nihal, can you say how many circle we can draw by using this for loop? Nihal or anybody? Haziq, Zubair, how many circles can we draw by using this for loop? Can you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Sir,
Okay.
100, sorry,
Where? Correct. Go ahead.
100 circles.
Yeah, 100 circle. That is like counter based. Okay. So I'm changing to 10. Now I remove 10. Now I'm running. See. So now only 10 circles. It draw 10 circle, it stop. Okay. So when I give 100, it will drawing 100 circle. So that is called counter based. Okay, count based. So 100 we are counting, we can control, we have control in our hand. So this much count only 100 times, 10 times, 20 times we can control. So next thing is while loop. So while loop is a condition based. I will explain you what is condition based. You can open your this one edu blocks. So give the file name like while random. Okay, randomly we are generating the circle based on while loop. Now we don't have exact count. Okay, so randomly we are generating the circles. Okay, what is random? Anybody know what is random means? Okay, I will explain. What is random means, if you go to this google.com and if you type roll dice, not this roll dice, roll roll dice, you can see this. Okay, I want 10. Okay, I want randomly, I want to generate some number. So between 0 to 10, I'll select this. I don't want this. If I click roll, how much? 4 came. Again I will roll, 4 came. Then now 3 came. So I want to roll my dice until I'm getting 0, right? So this is called randomly. This number is I cannot predict. So 8 is coming. Next is what will come? We cannot say. Randomly it will tell some number. So this is called random. The same thing we can repeat in Python also. So how randomly it is generating number? Now 6 came. So now again 2 came. Like that randomly it is generating number. The same way there is a library called random in Python. Okay. So by using that we can replicate this activity. Okay, now I'll go to edu blocks. I'll select Python, then start coding. Okay, so here let it load. I want to import one library called random. This is the first step. You can open your edu blocks also. Parallelly open your edu blocks and create the file, give the file name while random. I give while random, you can give any name. Open your edu blocks, go to edublocks.org. This is a link. App, yeah, this is the link, app.edublocks.org. Go there and select Python and come here. Okay, so once you're done, you can see the option called import. There you have to import random, then connect here. Okay, once you're done, let me know. So this import random, it will use us to generate random numbers. This is the code, import random, simple. Okay, after importing, you have to come to, if you scroll down left panel, you can see random, one menu item. So click this random and you have to select random.randrange. This is a variable. So before that, you have to create the variable. If you go to the roll dice, here we are selecting 10, right? That is a range. So between how many numbers I want to create random number, from 0 to 10 or 0 to 100, 0 to 200, 0 to 5. So we have to give the range here. Okay, so that's why there is a method called random.randrange. So have you added this import random, Nihal? Can you repeat, replay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Who is it? Zahid?
Zubair.
Zubair. Okay, Zubair. Okay. So now after adding that, just come to variables. The variable, create variable. Give the variable name as a number. Okay. Then drag and drop here. I have created now a variable called number equal to 0. Okay. So don't give 0, give as a 1. Okay. Now change the value. Number. Those who are using Visual Studio Code, simply you can create one new file in Visual Studio Code and you can add code like this: import random number equal to 1. Okay, so we are going to draw circles. This is the full code. So like that you can add the code in Visual Studio also. Import random, then line number 3 we have added. Okay, number equal to 1. Got it? So now we are going to generate. Okay, now we'll print it. Now we'll print. I will duplicate. Okay, number. Now I will print, what is this, number, yeah, random, then random.randrange is there. You can drag and you can attach here. So initially we have initialized with number equal to 1, but again we are changing the value. So how much range I want? 10. Okay, I want randomly generate some number and that number you assign to this number variable. Then finally I'm going to print it. Finally I'm going to print. Don't select the double quote, just print the variable number. Okay, so now if I run this, I got 2. I'll stop, I'll run again. I got 4. I'll stop, I'll run again. I got 0. Because initially we have assigned 1, but we are not getting 1 because we are reassigning with random.randrange between 10. It will give any number. Okay, I got 0. Now again I am running, I got 5. Again I am running, I got 6. You understood how the random is working? Okay, Zubair, you got it? Nihal, Zubair.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now what we are going to do, not we are going to do, by using while loop, randomly we are creating the circle. Okay. That is what our purpose here. So first, that for draw the circle, we have to import the turtle, right? So that's why I'm selecting from turtle import. After random, I am importing this turtle graphics. After importing, we have to create one object for turtle. To draw the circle, we want an object, right? So that's why turtle equal to new turtle we have added here. Okay. After adding that, I'm going to introduce one while loop. Okay. So what I am going to do, I am introducing go to loops. So what we have done, we have created one variable. We assigned random number to that variable. We are printing. Then we imported the turtle library. We have created one turtle equal to new turtle equal to turtle object. So now we will take the loop. Go to loops and select the while. While is, you can see, right? While you can put after number equal to 1, right? After number equal to 1, you add that while loop. Okay. So after adding, just drag and put it inside this. So inside while loop, I'm generating random number. I'm printing that number. This is the code. So add these stuffs and let me know. So take the while loop and
Yes, sir.
Okay, all done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see the code is simple like this. Import random, import turtle, create the object for turtle, assign the number equal to 1, and while loop. Inside while loop, randomly I'm generating number, I am printing the number. Okay, so this is the code. So now it is having while true. So this is the condition I told you, right? So there are two things are there. One is count base, here condition base. So in my for loop I gave the count. So in the for loop I gave 100 is the count base, but here I'm not giving the count, I'm giving the condition. If you look at the while loop, my code, what I'm giving here, my number is not equal to 0. I want to repeat this, printing this number again and again until my number is become 0. I repeat, I want to print the number again and again until I'm getting this random number 0. Okay, so it is repeating, looping. Let me run this program. When I run, so I got, see, I got output 7780. When it 0 came, it stopped printing. So again I'll run. So again 9860, it stopped printing. Again I'm running. It is got more number now. See, 7815. So how many times I will get, this code will get repeated, I cannot predict, right? In for loop I can predict. In while loop I cannot predict. Why? Can anyone say? In for loop I can say how many times this will get print, I can predict in for loop. But while loop I cannot predict. Why? Nihal, can you say? Sometimes it is printing 10 times, sometimes it is printing 2 times. Why it is happening? Nihal, Zubair, can you say?
Uh, it is because it's randomly choosing the numbers.
Ah, yeah, very good. See, this time how much time it will print, right? So instead of printing number, it is boring, right? I want to draw some circle, randomly draw circle and change the angle. Okay, so that's why here what we'll do, we will add turtle. We'll come to turtles. We'll add some some more interesting fact code. So turtle equal to circle. Ah, yeah, circle. Okay. So after printing number, what I am going to do, I am draw the circle. Okay. After draw the circle, just change the angle so that it won't draw the same place. I want to change the place by changing the angle. So what we can do, forward. Okay, not forward. I change the angle to left hand side 90 degree, not 90 degree. I want some 20 degrees enough. Okay, so draw the circle by size is 50. Okay, so then change the angle to 20. So now if I run, I draw circle 8, 4, 7, 9, 6, 5. I'm not getting 0. See, I'm getting number. So until I'm getting 0, it will draw. If I am not getting 0, it will keep on counting. See, I got 0. After getting 0, it stopped drawing the circle. I'll run again. See, I got only 2 times it draw the circle. You understood? You got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I don't want to draw the same size. I want to randomly, I want to change the size of the circle. So what I will do, I'll put number asterisk multiplication by, not 50 is very big, I'll put 5. So if I get 6, 6 into 5, 30. So then what are the numbers I got? If I get 5, 5 into 5, 25. So like that, the size of the circle will change. Also, I want to change the angle of the circle. So that's why number asterisk 2. So if I get the random number 2 means 2 into 2, 4. So 4 degree it will change the angle. So let me run again. So now see, randomly it is drawing circle. You got it? Okay, so it is not the same size. Sometimes bigger size, sometimes smaller size. So randomly I'm getting different shapes here. So this is called via random. We can generate the circle. So now it is the while loop concept is completed. Okay. So shall we go to functions? Is it clear? Any doubt is there?
Oh yeah, Tom. Sir, I have a problem. Like, it in the starting only it put zero every time. it prints 0 every time.
Where?
In the starting only, it prints 0 every time. It doesn't put any other number.
Because have you put this number equal to random? You are using VS Code or you are using Edu blocks?
Sorry, VS Code.
VS Code. I will give this code. You copy this code and try. Okay. I will give this code. Okay, this is the code. Copy this code and paste in your VS Code and you can try. Okay.
Okay, so
Okay. Or any other doubt? Maybe you missed. You just instead of assigning random number, you are assigning 0 only, or you are putting 0 here instead of 10. If you put 0, then every time it will create 0 only. If I get 0, for example, if I change random 0, so every time I'm getting 0 only. See, 0 only I'm getting. So what are the range you are giving? That much range you will get. Okay. Yeah.
okay, sir.
Okay. Fine. So now we come to the function. Okay, what is function? So definition of the function is that function is the named and group of code that perform specific task. Typically it involves taking some input, manipulating the input and returning some output. Okay, so function is the set of code. So you want to repeat the same code again, so you can write one function, you can call the function. Okay, so you don't have to write the same code again, it will avoid the duplication of the code. So for example, these are all the inbuilt functions. So print is a lot of maybe 10 lines of code, 100 lines of code are there. So what they have done, they make it bundle and they gave as a one small function. You want to give input, I will say print hi, it will just print hi in my console or in my window. So this print is the one already inside the print. If you go, a lot of code they have written. So but we don't have to bother about those code, we have to call that print and we have to give the input, it will perform the output. Got it? It's like an automation kind of thing. For input, where instead of printing, you want to get the input from the user, we can call input function. What is the use of type function? Can we have already discussed in previous class? What is the use of type function? Nihal, you know what is the use of type?
Yeah. The type function will tell us what type of type they what the code we written, what which type it is.
Data type. Okay. So what kind of data, whether the integer data, string, your answer is correct, but add the keyword data type. So the type will give you what kind of data type the variable is. Okay, it is a string data type or integer data type, whatever. Length is the one, what is the length of the string? Okay, so int means convert the data type into integer, string means convert the data type into string. So like that, lot of codes are there. So now we will create our own function. Okay, draw circle, we will create one own function, draw circle with different angle, with different color, with different size, so we can draw the circle. Okay, so let's come now. First I will come to open your new edu blocks, just save it. If you log in, then come back and click get started, click python. Now I'll give the name as a circle function. Okay, by using function we'll draw the circle function and start coding. Okay, you just follow me, don't type anything, you just listen me, then I will give time to you can type and you can draw the code. So now I want to draw the circle with different colors. Okay, with different size and with different angle. So three things are there. Circle will have size, whether small or big or what is the size, and after drawing each circle, how much direction you want to change. If you're drawing in same point, it doesn't make sense, you cannot see the differentiate between how many circle you draw. So we change the after drawing each circle, you change the direction. So that is called angle, that is called left angle. We have to change how much direction. Next is color, we can fill the color. We are going to draw 5 circle and we are going to optimize this code by using function. Let's see, now we'll write two code, one with function and another is without function. So first we'll create a code without function. So just listen here, then you can try. Okay, don't try, just listen, Mike. what I am doing. So first I will import the code. After import the code, I will come to turtle. I will create one object for the turtle, new turtle. Then I will draw the circle. Okay. Okay. I will draw the circle. Turtle dot draw circle. Draw circle. Yeah. So I will draw the circle. After drawing the circle, I want to color it. All right. That is called fill color. Where is the turtle? Fill color. Okay. So what color I want to give? I want to give red color. Okay. So circle, not a blank circle, hollow circle. I want to fill some color in that circle. Okay. So next thing is begin fill. So begin fill will what happen? It will start filling the color. There is a function called begin fill. You can see this is also one function, begin fill. After beginning the fill, I want to draw. Okay, this draw circle will come after beginning the fill. Okay, so I'll fill the color. I'll begin the fill. After filling the color only, you have to draw circle. Otherwise, it won't affect. I'll draw the circle, and after filling the color, you have to end it. End fill. There is a function called. We can call method also function. Another name for function is a method, and the end fill. Where is end filled? Okay, you can duplicate this. Duplicate and keep it here and end fill. Okay, finish. So now let's run this. Okay, red color circle, I got it. Okay, I got red color circle. I want this red color circle.
Can
I
you
want.
send the Can you send the code in the chat box?
Wait. I told you don't do anything. You just listen. Listen what I'm doing. Okay. The code is you can do code anytime, but concept. What is the function? Understanding the concept is very important. Function is a very important concept. Not only Python. If you go any language, methods or functions are there. So this is very important concept. That's why I don't want to do it now. So just listen. Okay. So after that, what I'm doing, I will change the angle. I'll change the angle, that is forward. I'll change the angle to left hand side. I'll change the angle to 50 degree. Change the angle. After changing the angle, I want to repeat the same code. I want to duplicate. Now instead of now, don't want red color. I want green color. After drawing the green color, I will begin fill. Okay, now then I will draw the circle. Then end fill.
We can just put it in loops.
Not loops. Just listen,
Loop
listen.
block.
Who is this? Zahida? Zahid? Yeah, we already completed the loop. Now we are going to learn function. Okay. So that's why just listen and I will tell you. Okay. Until I will complete, just listen. So now I'll change the color to green color, begin fill, circle, end fill. Okay. Now if I run it, I got one red color circle, one blue color, green color circle. Now I want blue color. So what I can do, I will change the angle to 50 degree. Then I can begin fill. Now I'll change to blue color. Okay. So next thing is I will begin fill. So a lot of duplicate code you can see here. So begin fill and circle, draw the circle. How many times I have to click duplicate? So the function is main purpose of function is we can avoid the duplicate of code, we can reuse it. So now if I run red color, green color, blue color, right? If I want yellow color, if I want cyan color, what I can do, I click on duplicate, right? How many duplicate lines of code will come? See, if you hear 17 lines. So all 17 lines. So fill color, begin color, circle, end color, left. repeating. Again fill color, begin color, circle, left color, end fill, left. Again fill color, begin color. So just keep on repeating. So I don't want to repeat the code. So the good coder, he has to achieve this task with less number of code. That is a good coder. Writing is 100 lines of code is not a good thing. So achieving the same task with 10 lines of code. Why we have to write less number of code? Because it is easy to maintain. Tomorrow some error will come. Big code is very difficult to maintain. Less code is very easy. So now I have draw the 3 circle, but I have used almost 17 lines. If I add another 2 more circle, I have to add 10 more lines, 25 lines of code. So instead of writing 25 lines, I can achieve same thing by using 5 lines of code. So let me tell you how I can do it. So I'll remove all these things. I remove this everything. I'll remove this. Okay. So after removing this, I'll create one function. How I can create the function? That is called definition. Okay. So definition is there. Here you can see def function. Okay. Def function. Just listen. Don't do anything. So def function. After creating the turtle object, you can put here. Okay. Def function. Inside the function, give the name for the function as a drawCircle. Start with lowercase and in any extra word you can put like this, drawCircle. What are the input I want? I want size. I want the size of the circle, comma, you can give comma. I want color of the circle, what color I want I can give. Then I can give angle, what angle I want to give. Okay, so instead of hard coding this color, you can give color. Then you can give size also you can give. So we are missing the angle, right? So that angle I will add here. Total dot where is that forward? Yeah, forward we can add first itself. So once you come, before starting drawing the circle, change the angle to this much degree. Okay, so I have created one function name called drawCircle. That function is accepting 3 arguments. This is called arguments. Okay, so there are 4 type of functions are there. Function with argument, without argument, with return type, without return type. Okay, so it is not returning something. You want to do addition, you are creating one function called a and b, and it is returning c, a plus b equal to c. So it is called addition function. Subtraction function, it will accept a b, it will return a minus b. So like multiplication, a asterisk b, that is also return type, but we are not doing that subtraction. When we create the calculation project, that time we can use that function. So now this is a drawCircle. It is accepting 3 arguments. One is size, one is color, one is angle. It is asking what is the size of your circle and what is the color of your circle. After drawing this circle, how much angle I have to change my direction. Okay, so that see it won't draw the same place. It is drawing in different place because of this angle. We have begin fill is completed. We have to add end fill. So after filling, we have to end. Otherwise, for all circle, it will be fill the same color. Okay, that's why we have to end fill. So this is a function, very simple. You understood how to create a function? I created one definition. You can go to definition and change the name and give the argument, how much argument you want. Now the important thing is I have to call this function. How I can call? Simple. Function call. Here one function call is there. drawCircle. Yeah, function. Yeah, so you have to call that function. If you go to statement, you can see the function. You have to pass the function name. What is the function name? Zahir, can you tell me what is my function name?
Draw,
Very
draw
good.
circle.
drawCircle. drawCircle. Once again. drawCircle. So drawCircle, how much, what is the first argument? Size. So how much size I want? I want 100.
Size.
Okay,
I
so what
want
is my color? I want red color circle. Okay, and then what is my angle? After drawing each circle, change to 50 degree. Okay, so if we can duplicate, if you want another color, you don't have to write this much code, only you have to call that function. So change to green color. Okay, if I want blue color,
The
just
size and angle should be in same only.
no, you can change. You can change. I will change the size into 200. I'll change the angle into 30. Now I can change the size of the circle is like a 50. Okay, angle is 20. Okay, then we'll see. Now we'll run it. So 100 circle, then again it is drawing 200. 200 is very, very big. So that is coming like a solar system. Okay, so we don't want 200. We'll give small size. I will start with 50. Then we will give 70. Then we will give 100.
80.
80. Okay, we'll start from 10, 10. Okay, 60, 70, 80. Angle also don't that much angle. We'll give small angle. Change the angle to 20° and 30°.
30.
Okay. Now tell me your favorite color. What is your favorite color, Zahid?
Orange.
Okay, where it went? Right. Okay. So now we'll come to orange. Orange now 90° and angle is 40. Okay, now what is favorite color of Zubair? Zubair, what is your favorite color?
Red.
Red already gave. Give some other color.
Green. Blue.
Green, blue, orange, red given. Any other color? Yellow? I will give yellow. Okay. I'll change the angle into 50. So now after that, any other color is missing? I'll I'll change the angle
Purple.
to
Black. Black.
black.
White.
White background, white circle. You cannot see it. Okay. I'll give black. So like that, you can add any number of code. So that see within 15 lines we are drawing this much color. Okay. Let me run this code. So first is red color, green color, blue color, orange color, yellow color. It is growing. Size is growing. Now black color. Right? So we'll finish this. Again, we'll reduce the size. We'll starting from smaller. We are growing bigger. I will reduce it. Now, any other color? Tell me. Any four more color? Cyan.
It's
I'll,
all a purple, pink.
yeah. Okay. I'll reduce the size to 70 again and change the angle to 70. Then purple color. Now reduce.
Gold. Silver. Silver. Golden.
Uh, gold color is there. Then we can add some other color. Gold color. Gold color is there or not? I don't know. Let me try. Okay. So now gold color. Then
Silver. Silver.
silver also there. Color. Use something standard color. Like
Well, purple. So purple, pink.
Purple,
pink. Pink is there. We don't want
mag-
gold.
magenta.
Purple. No, this is enough. I think we will complete this loop. This end. Let me try. So when I run, so red color, blue, green, blue, orange, yellow, and black, cyan, purple, pink. Okay. So by using this much code within the very less number of code, we don't have to duplicate this code. That is the main purpose. Left, fill color, begin fill, then circle, end fill. This code we don't have to duplicate. Only we have to call the function. You understood? What is the power of function now? Okay, this is the code. Okay, I'll share the code. I'll put in the GitHub also. Then I will share the link. I'll code already there. The GitHub link. I'll share the code here. Still, if you go to my GitHub, you can see the code. I'll share the GitHub link. Okay. So here you can see function color. Okay. So then while pi. So this code is there. All the code is there in this link. Okay. Bookmark this link. You can practice. So now I'm telling very, very important thing. So next class onwards, all basic things we have completed. All basic concept, like we learn data types, we learn if, we learn for, we learn while, we learn function. So these 5 things are very basic concept in all programming language. So learning is finished. So now practically we are going to develop one game. So next 3 more sessions are there. So next 3 more sessions we are going to develop one game. What is the game is that is called turtle race. I'll run the game, then we can develop the game. Okay, I'll run Python turtle race dot Python. Okay, so it is asking how many turtle you want to participate in that race. From 2 to 10, I'm giving 5. I want 5 turtles. So when I run this, so this is the game. I got 5 turtles. 5 turtles are running. Let's see who is winning the game. I think, yeah, this turtle won the game. So what is the color of the turtle? Is pink color turtle won the game. So again, I don't want 5 turtle. I want more turtle. So I want 10 turtle. So now 10 turtle will come now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, turn turtles are in. Who will win? Predict. Nihal, fast. Who will win?
Yellow.
Sir, yellow.
Purple.
I
Purple.
think yellow is going now. Yellow, 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 yellow. Yes, yellow one. Okay, so now yellow win this match. Okay, now again we will run. I want 10. 10 is interesting. Okay, so now let's predict. Who is predict is coming fast? Tell which color will win.
Sir,
Nihal,
Sir,
Green.
green.
black.
Yellow, yellow, yellow is passing.
yellow is passing.
Sir, yellow. Red.
Yellow, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. Yeah, red came.
Red.
Okay, so now red is the winner. So this game we were
Can't we
going
make
to.
this game in VS Code?
Yeah. VS Code only we are going to do. We are not going to do. This is very complicated code. So we are not going to do in the Edu blocks. Edu block finish. With VS Code only we'll do the game. Okay. The code I will share. We'll start from next session onwards. We will start how to develop this code by using VS Code. I think now blue will win, right? So like that you can give. You can give 2 turtle also. So now this time we will give only 2 turtle. So we'll give 2 turtle. Let's see. Yeah, brown. Okay. So like that you can give, we'll develop this game, and in this game we will learn all the concept. Not only while loop, for loop, we can learn all the concept here. So the code already there. You can see in this link, you can see the code, turtle race code. So you can practice the code, you can copy the code, and I will share the link here. So this is the code for turtle race. Okay. So the code, I will explain how it is working. So just seeing the code is not important. Only 62 lines number of code is there. Okay. So here we have 3 function. One function, first we have defined how many colors I want. Okay. So this is by randomly, and we have created one function called get number of racers. So we are giving number, right? That's it is asking how many racers you want. If I'm giving, it will tell, it will accept the numbers only. If you give something, it will check what is the data type. It is a digit, it is a number, it will accept, otherwise it will throw error. Okay, now my range should be lesser than, greater than 2 and lesser than 10. This is one function. Next thing is we are creating the race. We are creating number of turtles. Then we are creating number of turtles, and we are starting the race. So these things we will learn. Okay, only 3 4 functions are there, and we are calling each function, and we are shuffling the colors. So the 62 lines, number of lines of code is there, but we'll learn very slowly. I will try to complete in 2 sessions. If not, time is not permit, we can have third session. You can ask any doubt. Okay. So this is enough for today. So you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we can wind up. Got it? Okay. Any other doubt? Otherwise, we can leave for the day. Any doubt in the function? Nihal, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Zahid, what about you? I think you joined late. Joined on time.
Yeah.
So next time game is there. If you miss any concept, you cannot understand. So I gave the code. Just go through the code, but just join by exact 10 o'clock next week. Okay. Okay.
Okay.